Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 52. What is the retracement levels for zigzag correction? The answer is, it is simply like AB equal CD pattern. Code number 46. Andreas Kleno said, "Be aware of trading codes." This is a hilarious code to remind you that inspirational trading codes are not enough to be a successful trader.
Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel and follow us on social platforms.